Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials out of the way. Confirm your account and game version are updated because mismatched builds break thread sync. Once done, open the thread panel, look top right or press the hotkey so you can see active channels and slots. Make sure you have 3 units with thread affinity ready and at least 1 consumable for linkage. This enables stable bonding. Follow the on-screen slot order because sequence affects initial modifier rolls and prevents wasted attempts. You now bind units into the thread. Place an anchor first, then mid, then finisher because positioning changes outcome probabilities. Once placed, pick a primary modifier that matches your team roll, then set a secondary for synergy. This affects damage, buffs, and cooldowns. You'll see the AP or currency cost. Confirm before committing. If the initial modifiers are suboptimal, use a consumable to reroll up to 2 times, and pay attention to the half-success cues. Those hint at higher final roll chances. You finish by reviewing the preview stats. Check damage, buff durations, and any trade-offs, then confirm the link. This consumes resources. Once linked, add thread to your mission loadout and run 1 targeted mission to validate performance because simulated tests differ from live combat. If something goes wrong, errors, desync, or missing modifiers, clear cache, restart the client, and re-login. If the problem persists, recreate the thread link and save logs for support. That single troubleshooting step often resolves uncommon sync failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.